Welcome to HQLO Product Customizer. In this tutorial, I will explain how to the Add Image function. Upload the image to our HQLO server. While we wait for upload, let me share with you a simple rule for resolution. We generally accept 72 dpi, but it is better to use 150 dpi. How do you gauge the size? Check the properties of the image you want to upload. I will base on 150 dpi, and use this formula to calculate the size of image. What I calculated is size of about 100 by 100 mm, if resolution of image is maintained to 150 dpi. Each canvas of product has size, for example, tote bag is A4 size. Let us continue. Place the uploaded image to the canvas. You can duplicate, delete, rotate and scale the image. I scale the image to the size of 100 by 100 mm, by looking at the numbers on top of the image. There is no stopping you to enlarge the image, but be warned, the print resolution will be reduced. Next is the advanced editing. This is a useful tool where you can edit your image. There are 3 tabs to choose from: mask, filter, and color manipulation. I am going to show you how to apply a border shape to your image by click mask here. We have provided a few custom masks for you to use. I use this heart shape. Take note, the masking line may look very thin if file size is quite large. Please be patient as we are improving on our product customizer. After I am done, I click the tick button. Now, it shows you the image with the heart-shaped border. Scroll down to choose Restore Original or Save. Next is the Filter tab. Click here, and it will bring you to a list of filter effects for your added image, from grayscale to monochrome. I try with monochrome. Last of the advanced edit is the color manipulation. You can change the contrast and brightness as well as remove white. This remove white is useful to remove the white part from your image. Let me show you the different image. There you go. You can use this tool with your kids' sketches, a signature, and many more. Let us go back to show you transform functions. As you can see, this is for scaling. Next, this is for rotate. Next one is the layer button, where you can move up or down the layer hierarchy. Finally, this is the position button, where you can use this to align, and also flip. By the way, the mask in advanced editing mentioned earlier works great with frames available in our designs. Let me add one frame to show you. There you go. What do you think? This concludes the tutorial. Are you ready to start your design?